Welcome to HowdyAds, Reshu this side. Today we'll see how you can use and where you can use the FB cover options. Okay, so you will have these two options inside your dashboard. One will say FB cover templates and the second will say FB cover pre-made templates. So the pre-made template is a collection of FB cover templates that you will be getting with your access. Okay, and when you go to FB cover templates, you will be able to create your own FB cover templates. Okay, and all the templates which you create inside FB cover, or all the FB covers you create, will be shown over here. Okay, you just have to click on create template, give it a name, test, create, and you can start creating it. Okay, and whatever you want to create into it. Okay, so if I go back to the dashboard and I go to the FB templates, your template will be here, test. Okay, and FB cover templates, if I go there and if I have to use any, so the procedure is same. You just have to click here, click on use, and you can edit the template according to your requirement and like other HowdyAds templates. Okay, thank you.